am Jennifer Bryan, and this is Just Say Yes. This show features people, groups, and clubs that do great things in Eastern Wake County. We're here in Zebulon now with Robin Carlson. She is with the Zebulon Rotary Club. Robin, we're so glad to have you here today.
Thank you for having me.
First of all, I want to talk with you about why you are in the Zebulon Rotary Club and why you would encourage others to be a member of the Zebulon Rotary Club.
My first experience with Zebulon Rotary was when I went to a Feed Hunger Now campaign that they do. We do once every 2 years. And I wasn't a member yet, but a member invited me. And I later found out that my childhood, I was in an orphanage. I was adopted from an orphanage. And so it was a Feed Hunger Now type of organization that fed the children in the orphanage like I was in. So once I had that connection and realized that that's what Rotary did, because I really didn't have any idea what, I knew they were a civic club, but didn't understand exactly the projects or the money that they put back in the community. So once I found out that they did that, it definitely, it hit home with me.
Really hit home with you and let you see how much they help others and help the community. So I know that within the Zebulon and the Wendell community, y'all sponsor scholarships.
We do. We do 3 scholarships a year, 2 $1,000 scholarships and a $500 vocational scholarship.
Wonderful. How does that work? The process? Do you know the process of choosing the scholarship winners?
Yeah, we have a board that is a representative from the Wendell Club and a representative from the Zebulon Club that serves with the East Wake Education Foundation.
Certainly.
And they are involved in choosing the recipients each year.
I know that I actually attended the Stars in the East, and that is where the recipients were presented their scholarship, and such good young people.
It was exciting to see them, and excited to see that we're having an impact on somebody's future like that.
Right, because it's just a wonderful thing, and y'all also plant seeds at young level as well with donating dictionaries?
We donate dictionaries to the second graders in the Zebulon community. And it's funny to hear how even some of our recipients of the scholarship, oh, we remember you from the dictionary project. So it really, it is. It's to see it, year after year. Brothers and sisters, oh, my brother got one, several years ago. So you don't realize it a dictionary, but sometimes that's some children's first book that's actually theirs, that's not the schools or a library's, or they get it to keep and take home. And when you're told something like that, a child doesn't have a book at home, and you're giving them their first book, you realize that you're doing something. You really are impacting.
That's right. That's a great project. So you're really definitely planting seeds.
Definitely.
And be able to grow and hopefully be able to grow up and take advantage of maybe a scholarship as well.
Yes.
So there's a lot of things going on with education with the Zebulon Rotary Club.
And we also help with the Boys and Girls Club, so it goes to that side of things too.
Wonderful.
With education.
Right. So. Tell me about any other local projects that y'all might do.
Every year we have a Barry Davis evening in October, and then each year we choose a project within the community. One year is an international project for Rotary, and then next year the money goes to a local project. This last year we did it for a beautification project for Zebulon. Okay. The year before that it went to Polio Plus, which is an international project that Mr. Davis was very involved with when he was a Rotarian.
Right, so because he was a local
Rotarian, but also served on a district level, and I believe a national level. Right. So,
and I did learn from looking at your Facebook that y'all are involved with the district and the international level.
We are. We do a lot for the community, but we were able to. We have a member that was able to be on the planning committee for the vocational training group that came from Brazil a year and a half ago, and they studied Alzheimer's research. So they were here for 2 weeks, and they toured Duke, UNC, Wilmington, different Alzheimer's daycares, adult daycares, and different facilities to find out how the research behind it, and then how we help people with Alzheimer's here in the States. And then they took that information back to Brazil, and we're trying to implement some of those things in their country.
And you're also involved, your club, with the Lake Waccamaw boys
Boys and Girls Home. We've provided picnic tables. At Christmas time we we donate money for them to provide gifts and things for the children and families there. So.
I think it would be very rewarding to go and see, especially you, because you were in
a different
orphanage.
Yeah, yes. It was. It really makes you realize how lucky you are when you come out on the other side, or see what you can, people that have a positive impact, what those children can end up being. So,
that's really awesome.
So our auction is our main money maker
which is important.
Which is very important. But we have fun while we do it too. We have a silent auction.
That's here.
It's here in our building. We do a silent auction, a hospitality tent, lots of good food and things like that for people to come. And
it's a fun event.
It's a fun event. It gets a little competitive with the bidding sometimes, which can be fun.
Yes.
But then the end result obviously is that's what funds our projects for the next year.
So of course I know that you would love to have new members in the Rotary Club. And so what would you say, what would you tell someone about the Rotary Club to get them to come and see what great things they can do, as well as meet people?
I think that people should come and take a look at us. We were kind of known in the old days as a men's organization, and now we've evolved. We've got a lot of women and men, and it's a good networking. Not only is it good networking for businesses and things like that, but it's also great to see what we put back in the community.
Right.
We also have a lot of educational programs throughout the year. We have different representatives everywhere, from being so close to Raleigh. We have some legislative type
great speakers.
Great speakers, yeah.
Absolutely.
That can come in, and so it's networking that way too. So you get to meet a lot of people, and people that have the same mindset and learn.
Educationally wise as
exactly.
well. So that's fabulous. Okay, Robin, is there anything else that you would like to add about the Rotary Club?
I think just come and take a look around your community, because you don't realize what some of the clubs and organizations are actually doing.
Absolutely.
So,
that's right.
But thank you.
We'll see you again next month with another great show.